In this module we will learn about the sketches, which are the sketches used to create the templates in SolidWorks. In this class we will see how to start a sketch, what its main features and how to use some commands. Come on, let's go. Sketch allows you to add or remove material to form the solid, and is the main form of modeling used in SolidWorks. Sketches can be created on a plane or face, being called 2D sketch, or using the 3 reference axes, being called 3D sketch. In this course we will use 2D sketch. Sketches are features and are stored in Feature Manager, allowing them to be edited at any time. They may be hidden when used in other features. Sketches are created in the part files for modeling the parts, and can be created in the assembly files to serve as reference or remove material. There is no way to use them to insert features with added material into the assembly environment. Only if we insert a new part for modeling and edit within the assembly, however these features will be allocated within the part file. In the drawing files, the sketch tools are available and we can use them as needed, but the feature sketch will not be generated. We have started a new part file and see that we have the sketch toolbar available. We can find other sketch tools in the Tools menu. We click on Sketch and note that the Property Manager informs us that we must select a plan to draw the sketch. The 3 standard plans are displayed prominently in the modeling area. We click on the front plane and note that the visualization becomes normal on the screen automatically, to make it easier to create the sketch. This alignment can also be applied manually through the Normal to tool. With the help of the Line tool, we will start modeling. Clicking on the tool, note that the mouse cursor becomes a pencil and in the Property Manager some options are displayed. When hovering through the origin, see that a dot in orange color is shown, as well as a yellow box with a symbology. This box indicates the automatic geometric relationship that will be applied to the entity, in this example, the coincidence relationship. We click on the orange point and moving the mouse we have the extension of the line that we can create by clicking with the mouse, as well as possible geometric relations. We click to the right side, keeping the horizontal ratio shown in the yellow box. See that we now have the orientation lines shown in yellow, to assist in modeling. We continue clicking and drawing the lines, forming a rectangle. Notice that 2 lines are black and the other 2 are blue, and as we have seen, we can move the entities in blue, changing the geometry, but the black ones do not. Note that in the status bar we have 2 messages. Under Defined informs us that the sketch is not fully defined. Editing Sketch 1 tells us what we are doing, that is, editing the sketch feature 1. To fully define the sketch, we will add the dimensionals using the Smart Dimension tool. We click on the tool and the mouse cursor changes. When drawing entities, there is no need to worry about the size of geometry, because SolidWorks has as characteristic the updating of entities according to the application of the sizing value. We click on the shown line and move the mouse. We click to position the dimension and a box opens, where we define its value. See that the entity is updated according to the size we entered. We scale the other line. Alright. Note that in the status bar we have the message fully defined, stating that the sketch is fully defined. We confirm the sketch, coming out of your issue. We finish this class, where we know the main characteristics of sketches that are very important for modeling in SolidWorks, as they serve as the basis for the application of a large number of tools.